We just go to yard sales for the cheap snacks.
Have to support the kids.
I heard. Supporting the kids.
Right. That's our business.
So we're heading out today. We're hitting some yard sales and gonna try and find some DIY projects. Stay tuned.
Gonna fit.
She's the navigator. I'm the driver. Here we go.
Gonna go straight on up to hit that one neighborhood, you know, up yonder, and then go straight on up to the other one, and then hit what's on the left on the way back. You got that?
Okay.
All right.
Where do I turn?
Keep going.
Oh. Okay.
Not yet. We're good.
Okay. That's a cool piece. Wonder if I can make something like that. There you go. Thanks, sir.
You're welcome. Needing water too.
I did pick up some shoes for the hubby. Here we go to the next one. Drop these off. Oh boy. Oh, interesting. There's a DIY project. See, look at that. Oh, that's cute. For fall decor.
Oh, I like that.
There's some acorns. Ooh, some tools. I always use some screw. Oh, not those. Those are stainless steel. I can tell. Always use screws. Oh, there's some good ones. I gotta get those. Oh yeah. Found me some screws. $1 a piece. Can't beat that. Yeah. Thought about building a cornhole set. Oh. That's a new one. Ooh, who can pass up the goodies? Look at those cookies.
Would you like some?
Did you make them?
My mom did. They are white.
$1. We can pass up on cookies. Here you go, ma'am. Thank you so much. You're more than welcome. Is that an Oreo Rice Krispie treat?
Yes.
Is that $1?
Well, the Oreo is, the Oreo Rice Krispie treat is, actually, $1.50, but the normal ones, they're just $1.
Well, let's do. There you go. Just, we'll take that. You can keep the change.
Okay.
Goodness, I've never had an Oreo Rice Krispie treat. This is the bomb. It's not low carb. Sorry, people.
The ribbons are like $1 and like some of them are 50 cents.
Oh, okay.
Like the small ones are like 50 cents and the big ones are $1.
Lots of neat crafty stuff. I really don't need any toys. We just go to yard sales for the cheap snacks.
Have to support the kids.
Alright, supporting the kids.
That's our business.
Homemade ornaments. Homemade ornaments, so cool.
I know, those are really cute. Thank you very much.
I like these because they're springy.
Uh-huh.
I used to work with kindergartners and I made them a bell every Christmas.
Aww.
I think I'm.
Hey, here you go. Take a picture of the directions here and you can make a couple hundred yourself.
Ah!
That's stars. My aunt used to quilt and do all that. And
Yes.
she had so
I have no patience for quilting, but I'm
That's so
okay
cute.
with these.
Well, she taught me how to make the tube. We had years ago the puff letters, you know. You'd make them out of those polka dot materials. They're puff letters and had welcome, and she taught me how to do that. And you would stuff it, the W,
Oh, okay.
and you would show how to sew up the little piece.
Yeah,
at the
no.
end, you know.
No,
Yeah.
no patience for that.
Now my grandmother knitted, and I never got the knitting thing. That was
I
not.
couldn't do a dish rag. I mean, it'd be this
I-
shape.
There.
It's only 9 o'clock, and look what we got. Crazy. So pretty. Alright, we got friends that want us to play pickleball. We're gonna try. Do it until you try. It's getting hot. We're doing drive-by yard selling. What you think?
I don't know. I can't see.
Yay or nay?
Nah.
Alright. Look, it's flamingos. She's running! I'm beating you. I'm so mean. You know it's gonna be a good day yard selling when you gotta fill up gas halfway through. Wow, with the Hot Wheels. Oh my gosh. We have found a few yard sales, but some of their items are a little bit pricey. Would you agree?
I would.
Yes.
I do.
A do or a chew? A chew! Bought me some wrought iron. I have a project for those. $1 for both. We had our potty break. Now time for more drink. What in the world? What happened to your map?
We got a little wet. I spilled my water
Oh
and,
no.
you know. And I don't know where we've been, where we have it anymore.
Oh well, I guess we'll just have to wing it.
Yep.
Advertise your yard sale. That way people can find it. I think we've worked up an appetite. It's time to go eat some Chick-fil-A. Yes. Let's go. I have a question. When is the door not a door?
I don't know.
When it's a jar.
Okay.
She wanted a bookshelf. Then we can't hardly fit it in the car. It's up against my steering wheel. I'm not even gonna be able to turn.
Wait a minute.
Buckle up for safety.
Yeah, like I'm going anywhere. Ow.
How you doing over there, Jax?
I'm squished. It's really good I don't have to go to the bathroom. My
That's
legs
like-
are gonna be numb by the time we get home. How do you get out of here? Yeah, that's it. I don't know. Go somewhere.
Okay, so Jackie said this is her last yard sale because she literally cannot get out of the car.
No, not at all.
All right, well, that's a wrap. We'll see you next week. Southern Gal DIY.
Yep. I'd say you're right.
Can you get out? Okay, I guess I'll help.
Nope, I got it.